This is the FA822SD. Install the batteries. Turn the dial one time. Input the password. Now the master password is set up. Now we need to set up the fingerprint. One. This fingerprint is set up. Now we need to set up the remote controller. Press 2. This is set up. Okay. You can use this one to open the lock. Now we need to set up the user password. Three. User password. 2 times. Okay. Okay. Now, if you want to use double time to open the lock, you can try like this. Press number 4. Now you need to use your fingerprint or password to open the lock. Remote controller only one way to can open. And now let's try it. Fingerprint. Password. Okay, can open the lock. If you want to delete the double time to open the lock, you can try like this. Press number 4. Okay. This is one time to open the lock. Okay, that's all.